Hello students, let's look at looping through a list of things. Remember the list that we introduced sometime earlier? Now let's look at looping through a list. So I'll create a new file here and then call loops2.py. Okay, so today let's look at looping through a list of things. So remember our example, was it fruits? So fruits equals to a list of fruits: orange, mango, apple, pineapple, banana. Okay, so that's a list. Remember a list? And now we want to loop through this list. So for lists, you do something like this. Same for loop. For, I don't like using the word I, but you'll see I in many of these things. Called I just means index, or rather an item. But for me, I like using the specific things that you're going over. So if it's fruits, it's better to say for fruit, for each fruit, basically, in fruits. Okay, print fruit. Okay, and so let's run it and see. So run that. You can see orange, mango, apple, pineapple, banana. How about looping through a list using an I? So it would be for I in. So I is the index, remember? In. This time now, remember the range function? How many items are there? So range through the number of items. The good thing is range runs from 0. And remember, our index is also run from 0. Remember, orange is index 0. Mango is index 1, apple is 2, banana is 3. So if you wanted to get a banana here, you say fruits 3. Remember that? So here again we call the range, but this time we say the len function, the len of fruits. Okay. So if this is confusing you a lot, when you see those, we are calling two functions and combining them, you can simplify that. You can remove this, put it outside, okay, in a variable called number or count, fruits count equals to that, okay, and then now you can put fruits count here. Fruits count. Okay, so for range fruits count, okay, we want to print the I and the fruit itself. So the fruit will be fruits I. Okay, just the same way we do here, fruits 3. So this time is I, and I will be changing. Remember, I will be changing from 0 up to the last index, which will be index 3. So let's print that. You can see 0 orange, 1 mango, 2 apple, up to 4 banana. That's the index. So that is it about looping an item or looping through items in a list. Okay, you can loop through using just the item in items. So basically here the idea is item in items. Then you can loop through the specific items, do whatever thing that you want. For us, we're just printing for now, but you could do many other operations, and it could be many lines as long as it's still within the tab. It could be many lines of code. You could do something here, and etc. Okay, and then using an I, index I, you can now say for I in range that print the I and print the fruit itself. Or if you just want to print the fruit alone, you can remove the I. Okay.